Oh, yeah. Give me a hell yeah if your account is hitting new 52-week highs every damn day this week. Screw the stimulus. We don't need it. The market went down for a little bit, and now we're right back up, and I love it. For the Free Riders program, I gave away 2 stocks completely free, and this is why you have to attend the live webinars. Number one was my good friend Trill. And you already see number two there, but Trill, this piggy went from $10 to now $15 plus. Literally a week after the first webinar. And that stock report is in the 3 stocks you want to buy and hold in the Free Riders Club member section. And the second one, OCUL. OCUL. This stock up 25% yesterday, but wait. More positive news. Stock's over $11 now. Gang, had the webinar. What was it, Monday or Tuesday? The stock was around $8.50. The next day, the stock was printing $10.50. Now the stock's printing over $11. Positive results. OCUL. Good news after good news. They make treatment for dry eye disease. How do you not love these trades out here? How are you not making money? In our last report here, I'm giving away all my secrets today. BCRX, this stock was up about 7% yesterday. Look at this beautiful move. Another name that I'm looking at. And I don't even want to talk about my number one big boy stock where they have their big catalyst date on November 6th. And we're already making so much money in the options and that stock. I mean, literally the stock's up $10 in the past 2 days. It was up about actually $7 just yesterday alone. So I can't stop thinking about the Free Riders Club, gang. Literally the stocks, not even the options here. Trill, 50%. Literally 50+%. And the stock, OCUL, another one. The stock, 25% in a day, and it's up another, 50 cents here, another 5+% pre-market here. There's still time for you to get in, okay? So click the link below. If you want gains, like, this is just a preview, by the way. And October is hot for this sector. I just want to repeat that because I've been pounding the table on it. So click the link below. Join the Free Riders Club. These are real trades, guys. The full reports, everything's in the member section. It's not like I just picked 2 stocks that are up a lot. You could go back to the webinars. We've been talking about these nonstop. Even I gave Trill free. I gave OCUL free out there. Just have to take action. Take action now. Click the link below.